If you send request at this address, and you will be able to get the permanent access token without the expiry time. So in this video we will see how we can get the permanent access token by using Shopify Dev Dashboard. So let's get started. First of all, go to your store and click on the settings, and then click on apps, and after that click on develop app and build app in Dev Dashboard. So create the new app over here. For example, I name it permanent access token, and my app is created. I need to define the scopes, so I will select the scopes. Let's say products, read and write products. Similarly, customers, read and write customers, and orders, read and write orders, and inventory, read and write inventory. And I create the scope, and over here I need to define the redirect URL where I will get the code to generate the permanent access token. So you need to go to the webhook.site, and they will give you unique URL. You can copy that URL and paste that over here in the redirect URL and release this version. After releasing the version, you will be able to make the API call. So let's go to the Postman and make the API call. You will be sending a post request at this address, your store name .myshopify.com/admin/OAuth/authorize, and you will be sending some prompts like client ID. Client ID you can get from your app. Go to the settings and copy this client ID and paste that over here. Then you need the scopes, so you will copy these scopes, and you can get those scopes which you have defined in this version. So go here and open the version and copy those scopes and paste them over here, and make sure there is no extra space. And finally you will be adding a redirect URI, redirect underscore URI, which you will be giving this address. So copy this and paste that over here. Now you have this request. So let's copy this request and open this in the browser, and they will send the code in that webhook. So once you hit enter, it will take some time, and after that it will send the code to that webhook site, and then we will be making the new request. Okay, now install this app, and you can see change the response in the webhook. You can see we get the response. Click on this, and now we get the code. Now we have to make another API call to get the access token. This time we will be sending post request, and the address will be your store name, your store name.myshopify.com/admin/OAuth/access token body, and in the x dash form URL encoded. So you will be sending those this code over here, and let me copy the code from here. And similarly you will be sending the client ID and the client secret. So client ID and client secret you can copy from your app. Copy them, client ID and client secret, and send them and send the post request, and you will be able to get the permanent access token. So this is your permanent access token with this scope. So I hope this video will make sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.